To understand what I'm trying to get at, it's important that we first have some background in papel picado.
Papel picado literally means punched or chopped paper. It's an art form originating in Mexico that traditionally involves stacking sheets of tissue paper and cutting into them using chisels. And what's really interesting about it is how it represents Mexico's history as a whole, the blending of indigenous and colonial influences. Prior to Spanish colonization, the Aztecs would cut out designs of their deities from ometil or omete, a kind of bark paper. And once the Europeans conquered the region, they brought with them the geometric patterns they inherited from the Muslims in North Africa. And the final component came from trade with China. They brought with them a softer paper that could more easily be cut. And over time, these materials and styles kind of blended into the papel picado we know today, which of course is most famous for its appearance during Dia de los Muertos.
So, given this rich history, it's also important to consider how a few modern artists have adapted the tradition to tell their own stories. And this idea of turning weakness into power, that is at the heart of the people of paper.
Guadalupe Hernandez, for example, designs Papel Picado to show the story of his family's immigration to the US, and he finds that working by hand using chisels gives the art more value than the mass production methods of today. And we also have Beatriz Vasquez. She creates Papel Picado inspired silhouettes on dark paper, which she then fills in with color to celebrate Mexican culture in a modern context. So there are a lot of artists, but all of them have one thing in common. They reclaim the craft's fragility and turn it into a symbol of resilience.